Welcome to IELTS Symphony. Today, we're going to learn how to write a high-band formal letter for the IELTS General Writing Task 1. First, let's take a look at the question. Now, here's the structure we will follow from start to finish when writing this letter. Before writing, a quick planning session can really boost your performance. So let's do some quick planning. From the prompt, we can clearly see that this is a formal letter. Why? Because I'm applying for a job as a candidate, and the letter is addressed to an organizer, someone in a position of authority. That means the tone must be formal. Okay, let's do the planning for the bullet points. Bullet point 1. Explain what sort of work you would like to do. Since the prompt doesn't tell us exactly what activities the camp offers, we can choose them ourselves. Let's say I pick cricket, a popular game in both South Asia and the UK. I'll also mention other outdoor activities, like swimming or fishing. Feel free to choose activities that you're comfortable writing about. Next, I'll talk about my personality. As a new applicant, a stranger to them, it's important I present myself positively. I'll mention qualities like being friendly, responsible, and good with children. This shows I'm a good social fit and suitable for the role. Finally, I'll talk about my experience and skills. This is where I provide evidence that I've worked in similar roles before. It helps me sound trustworthy and capable, boosting my chances of being selected.
All right, we're done with the planning. Now let's start writing the letter. We will begin the salutation by writing "Dear Sir or Madam" and briefly stating the purpose of the letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to express my keen interest in working at the upcoming summer camp organized by your team. Now look at the first bullet point. What sort of work would you like to do? As a passionate sports enthusiast, I am particularly interested in mentoring a cricket team. I would also be happy to assist with other outdoor activities such as swimming, fishing, or team-building games. This part is concise, clear, and directly answers the question.
Bullet point 2. Describe your personality. My enthusiasm for sports helps me connect easily with people of all age groups. I enjoy working with children as I believe they are the future of our nation. My calm and composed nature allows me to manage groups effectively while fostering a positive and engaging environment. I'm also punctual and self-disciplined, two important traits for working in a team setting, individual who values teamwork and responsibility. Bullet point 3. Mention your relevant experience and skills. Over the years, I've worked with several youth sports organizations. I've mentored various sports clubs, including an under-10 youth cricket team at the district level. This shows direct and valuable experience, especially if the camp includes cricket. In addition, I have volunteered with nonprofit organizations to help rural children develop their athletic skills. This highlights my charitable nature and shows that I care about making a difference beyond financial reward. Additionally, I'm a certified lifeguard and have basic first aid training, such skills that are essential for anyone involved in outdoor camps. Furthermore, I am fluent in multiple languages, which enables me to communicate effectively in diverse team settings. This means I can easily overcome language barriers and work well with campers from different backgrounds. Closing. We will close the letter with a polite and hopeful statement. Please feel free to contact me at abcl@gmail.com for any further information. I sincerely hope to be considered for this opportunity and contribute to the success of your summer camp. Yours faithfully. This is the complete letter we have just written. It is simple, coherent, and easy to follow. It addresses all 3 bullet points clearly, and it maintains the correct formal letter structure, exactly what is expected in a high-band IELTS General Training Task 1 response. If you want more sample letters, planning strategies, or full writing guides, subscribe to IELTS Symphony and stay tuned for the next lessons.